In this video I'll show you how to solve the error messages journaling is not active and journaling not active using journal image * both. First of all, when you see the message journaling is not active, then you should consider to start journaling in InterForm400. That is required in order to save an overlay in the graphical designer, and also if you want to import. When you start the journaling, you might see the message in the bottom, like shown on the right. And the reason is that someone have started journaling of the core InterForm400 files with an option that's called images, and that is default *after, which means that the data of the files are only saved after the change. In InterForm, we need to have the data of the file changes both before and after, which means it's both. So we need to fix this, and we can fix it by stopping the journaling and then starting it again with this * both specified. So if we go into InterForm400 and pretend that we want to make an import from 12 service functions, 22 import, and then say 4, we want to put we have selected an import file and we want to put it into production, hit enter and F10, then you might see this message. In the designer, you might try to save a design and see this message. So if you see either of these messages, then you should consider, of course, the journaling. So here from the main menu, you select 12 service functions and then the journal menu. So the first thing you should do is to select one and start the journaling. And then you might see a message like this, say, well, we're actually using another journal than the normal default one that we're using in InterForm. But that is no problem for InterForm, we can handle that. But we see this in the bottom, that is a bit tougher. So in order to fix this problem, we can stop the journaling and then start it again with * both. We might want to keep this journal here because it's perhaps used by some mirroring product. So we make a notice of this journal, and then we can go back to the journal menu and say we want to end journaling, confirm with F10, and now we can choose to start journaling again, and we can select the same journal as before and hit enter. And with this change we can now import and save changes in the graphical designer.